Good morning students. This video is for class 2 children and the subject is computer. It is the fourth video. So in previous part 3 video, if you have remembered that in that particular video we have completed some exercise portion from chapter number 2, page number 14. This one we have completed. Again this one also we have completed question number 1, 2 and 3. These are the objective questions which we have done in previous video. Now in this video I am going to give you some extra questions which I have prepared for you from this chapter. So that particular question you have to write down in your copy. So first of all you just take out your computer copy and then you open your new page. Right there today's date, it is 23rd June 2020. So write down today's date and then two extra questions I am going to give you. The answers also I am going to write here. You have to just copy down. First one is question number 1. What is this question? Write any 5 differences in between computer and human being. What you have to do? You have to just write down any 5 differences in between computer and a human being. Okay, so first of all you just take your scale. In previous class I have also told you that if you got any question where you have to write differences in between two things, then first of all you have to draw a line in middle of the page. Okay, I am drawing it with red pen because with pencil it is not visible to you, so you have to use just pencil and draw it. Okay, so draw a line in middle of the page. Okay, then what are the two things which you have to compare? The first one is computer and the second one is human being. So here it is the answer. In first column I am going to write computer and in second column we have to write human being. Okay, again give an underline computer and here human being. Now what you have to do? Write any 5 differences in between computer and a human being. The first one is computer, it never gets tired. Okay, again here in first one human being column, a human being may get tired. Okay, this is the first one. Number 2, it never gets bored. As we know that computer never gets bored by doing the same work again and again, but a human being may get bored. A human being may get bored. Number 3, computer. In computer column you have to write down it never gets disturbed. Here in number 3 human being column, a human being may get disturbed. Number 4, a computer, it never makes mistakes. But here in human being what we have to write? A human being can make mistakes. The last one, any 5 differences we have to write? We have already completed 1, 2, 3, 4. So last one is a computer's performance is always same, but a human being, number 5, a human being performance may differ from time to time. So these are the 5 differences which we have to write here. This is your first question. Write any 5 differences in between computer and a human being. These are 5 differences which you have to write in your copy like this. Now, question number 2. We are moving to the next question. Again, you turn your page. The next question I am writing here. Question number 2. What is this question? Write any 5 disadvantages. Write any 5 disadvantages of a computer. Okay, columns. Here in this question simply you have to start writing the answer. First part of the question we have to write here. These are 5 disadvantages of a computer. So what are the 5 disadvantages? any 5 limitations or disadvantages. I have taught you the disadvantages of a computer in my second video. I have given the name it part 2 video. So one by one I am going to writing here. Number 1, it can be harmful for eyes. Okay, the second one, if it is affected by virus, then it slows down. The working process. The third one, it's non-biodegradable parts, or we can write here it's non-biodegradable waste is causing pollution. Number 4, what we can write here, it cannot think on its own and it is useless without human instructions. This is the 4th disadvantages of a computer. Then the last one, it is number 5. It is decreasing physical activities of children. So this is all about our question number 2. You have to just write down this question and then the answer. So that's all for today, and in the next part we are going to start the next chapter, that is the chapter number 3. These 2 questions are from chapter number 2. So you have to just take out your copy, and where you have written the previous questions of this chapter number 2, there you have to write down these 2 extra questions. Okay, question number 1 and question number 2. That's all for today class. Thank you and have a nice day.